Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I went to Aldi's. I bought me some produce because I didn't have anything to do my salads with. So this is, and I bought some few things extra. So I bought, my husband loved his cinnamon raisin and he only had two left, so I bought him a pack. I was surprised. This was $2.09, and the ones that I buy price right, they are $2.49. So $2.09, $2.49. That's a good buy. I bought some California raisins. This was $1.70 something. So they usually $2 something price right. The lettuce was $2.49. I usually pay $2.99. I like snacking on these sugar snap peas. They are delicious. They are a good snack and a good source of vitamin C. And this was only $1.79 or $1.99, I believe, no more than that. And my price right there like $3 something, so that's why I never get them. So I got those. I got me two mangoes. The mangoes were 89 cents each. So I got two. I got me a big giant cucumber, 79 cents. So I like to slice these and put a little bit of salt and vinegar and manjan them. Great snack. I also purchased banana peppers, $1.79, that is not bad at all. And of course, I bought some strawberry cream cheese for my husband bagels. I bought about a handful of cherry. They were $2.99 a pound. So this is good enough for me to sit and watch TV and eat that. I bought my rosemary. I'm going to be preparing my shampoo. Guys, if you didn't saw that video, you guys should go and check it out. My hair has grown a lot. I'm telling you, you'll see the video. I bought myself a little bag of fresh South Carolina peaches. Guys, they were only $2.49 or $2.59 when I paid like almost $4 a price, right? So, yes. I bought me 4 bananas. They were 49 cents a pound. So I found a bundle of 4. I'm going to let that get nice and ripe. I may eat one and let the other 3 get nice and ripe because I want to make a loaf. I also purchased cranberry and almond crunchy granola. It says half a cup per serving, 220 calories for half a cup. So I purchased this to add to my yogurt. I never buy them at my regular grocery store because they are almost $5, extremely expensive, and I only pay $2.69 for this. So I got that. The same thing, the celery. At my local store where I usually like doing my grocery shopping, they went up to $4.99. I paid $1.79 for this, guys. I was amazed, and I love I like to take them out, clean them really good, cut them, and eat them with peanut butter. They are so good. So that's that. And of course, you know we have to have our ranch dressing for our salad. So my ranch dressing. And guys, my total, I spent $29.65. That was good price for all of this. fresh produce, and the rest of the item. So guys, thank you for watching and be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye.